The very mention of the Titanic brings to mind one of history's most famous and tragic shipwrecks. This is not just the story of a magnificent ship, but also of the dreams, hopes, and sorrows of thousands of people aboard it. Built in 1912, this luxury liner, deemed unsinkable, met its end in the North Atlantic Ocean during its maiden voyage, giving rise to countless mysteries. The Titanic was constructed in Britain and was considered the largest and safest ship of its time. Its design was so grand that it was labeled unsinkable. The ship carried 2,224 passengers and crew members, including wealthy industrialists, poor migrants, and individuals seeking a fresh start in life. The Titanic set sail from Southampton to New York on April 10, 1912. On the fourth day of its journey, the night of April 14th, the ship struck a massive iceberg. The collision severely damaged the lower part of the vessel, causing water to flood in. At the time, there weren't enough lifeboats on the ship, which led to a massive tragedy. More than 1,500 lives were lost in this disaster, making it one of the deadliest maritime accidents in history. Although the event has become a part of history, numerous mysteries and questions surrounding it persist to this day. Several aspects of the Titanic's sinking remain shrouded in mystery. Some believe there were design flaws in the ship, while others argue that poor decisions about speed contributed to the disaster. There are also those who consider the Titanic a cursed ship, with many rumors surrounding it. One intriguing fact is that 14 years before the tragedy, in 1898, an author named Morgan Robertson wrote a novel titled Futility. This fictional story featured a ship called Titan, which also sank on its maiden voyage after striking an iceberg. The similarities between the novel and the actual Titanic disaster are startling. The Titanic's story is not just confined to history books, but has left a deep impact on art, literature, and cinema. The 1997 film Titanic, directed by James Cameron, made the story famous worldwide. The movie is not just a romantic tale, but also portrays the human side of the tragedy. The story of the Titanic is not just about a ship, but also symbolizes human resilience, incredible engineering, and tragic failure. It teaches us that no matter how advanced humanity becomes, it must always remain humble in the face of nature. The mystery and legacy of the Titanic will continue to inspire and fascinate generations to come. If you enjoyed this thrilling and mysterious story of the Titanic, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more such fascinating tales. Your support inspires us to bring more captivating stories. Thank you.